How to fix your Discord RTC connecting problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, check your device internet connection, then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Discord. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Discord and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar and type Discord. Now click on Discord and tap on force stop. Now tap on storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and go back. Now go back to the settings page. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom, tap on system and updates. Now tap on date and time. Now enable set time zone automatically. Now make sure you have correct date time on a device. And restart the Discord. I hope this will fix this issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.